What is your recommendation for nasal congestion?
It's not really good to take Afrin for more than 3 days. It is a great medicine to take if you need it. If you're super congested, if you're after a procedure, it's very, very helpful. But the longer you take it, the more your nose gets hooked on it. It gets addicted to it. And so actually, if you do it for more than a few days and you stop, you're actually gonna get more congested. So I just recommend never using it for more than a few days so you don't have to deal with that, because then you have to come to me again and I have to help you get off of it.
Sinusitis. We know how to treat it.